everyone, welcome back to Draw for Fun with Kevin. In this episode we're going to draw Speedy Gonzales, the little fast mouse from Looney Tunes. So grab your paper and pencil, and here we go. I'm going to start off by shaping his eyes out. So draw a circle and give it a little pupil. Okay, and right from there, what we're going to do is come up to here. We're going to draw his nose by making a circle like that. Then we're going to give a little bit of a black spot right here in the middle of his nose. We're going to color that in. Okay, now we can come over a little bit about here and draw his other eye. Just like that. Give him another pupil. Okay, now right under his nose, we're going to attach about here. Okay. We're going to draw a line. Come over here. Draw another line. Just like that. Now draw a U. Come up to the top and start his tongue, just like that. Okay. Now off of his nose we can put whiskers and everything else. We're going to save that for now. I want you to come back up here to his eye. Alright, right about here. Alright, we're going to come down. A big arc. Start going back up and stop about there. Right, and we're going to do the other side of his face first. Come up to the top of his eye here. Alright, right here. Draw a little bit of hair. Excuse me. Right, like that. Bring that over. Finish that off. Okay. Now we can put his hat in there. Okay, there's a little line right there because we're going to put his hat on after we do the rest of them here. Let's give him an eyebrow. Okay. And we're going to get that ear in there. So now that we have his hair in, we can go over here to his head. Draw a line down just like that. Excuse me, I have a frog in my throat today. Alright, from there, make a circle just like this. Okay, and then on the inside, we're going to go 1, 2, and 3. Now we have his ear formed. Right? Now underneath, right, he has a bow tie. So we're going to make a small circle. Do one of those, come over to this side. Do the same thing. Okay, now from right about here on his face, we're going to take his arm right up the side of that cheek. We're going to come up, draw a circle, and then come down and touch his bow tie. Okay, now come back to here. We have to make his hand. So we're going to come up. It's going to have a finger pointing. Okay. Now make one finger. 2 fingers. Bring his hand back down like that. And back down into his shirt. Okay. Now we do have to put a thumb in there. Just like that. So now he's pointing. We're going to come over here and do his other hand. So draw an arm. start his wrist, come over, make one finger, 2 fingers, 3 fingers, go back over, down, and a little skinny thumb, and back into his shirt. Okay, now the rest of his body's pretty simple, except his feet. So we're going to come up here under his arm, come down, go across. I'm going to cut that in a little bit and then go up. Okay, same with right here, just a little bit. And then when we start his pants, we're going to come inside those lines. Ready? Come down like that, go across, come up, go across just a little, go down, across, and then attach that line. Okay, now we're going to do his feet. Alright, but before we put his feet on, because that'll be the last part, let's go up here to his hand again. Alright, right about here. I'm going to draw a line up, because he has a big hat. Alright, so what we're going to do is come up and make this as big as you want. Alright, just going to swing it over. Just going to come down and then swing back in by his other hand here. Okay, then it goes just like that. And that's Speedy's hat. Now all I gotta do is put his feet on. And his feet are pretty simple. Just come down, go over. They're pretty skinny because he's a mouse. And just do that. Same on this side. I'm gonna come down, go over, come back, and go up. And that right there is pretty much how you draw Speedy Gonzales. Now he does need some whiskers, so we're going to come off his mustache. Give him a couple of whiskers. We can color in his hair up here, which we're going to do with markers anyway. And we'll check around and make sure we got everything done before we put color on them. Okay, that's attached. He's got one little eyebrow over here. We could give him his other eyebrow right there. And we could color in his mouth too if we want. Alright, let's go put his real colors on and see what he looks like. Okay, and there we have a picture of Speedy. Fastest mouse in all the land. I'm going to do is outline his eyes just a little bit with this black marker, a little bit more, and he'll be done. If you have any requests for the channel, put them in the comments below. If you have something you want me to draw, and I'll definitely try to get there and draw it. I think I'm going to put one more color on him, and that's just a little bit of red, just to separate. Got to get his tongue colored in here. There we go. And then inside his mouth. You can use any colors you want. And that right there is going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Join me again in the next video. Make sure to outline all of your drawings if you're doing them in marker like I am. See how I'm taking the black marker here? That's why I slowed down the film so you could see. I'm actually outlining after I color and going over my detail a little bit more, and it really helps make everything pop. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for joining me again. I'm Kevin, and this is Draw for Fun with Kevin. See you next time.